In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to process credit card payments in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a credit card on the spot for a new sale and how to apply a credit card payment to an open invoice that's already in your system. Let's start with a brand new sale where the customer is paying you right away. In QuickBooks Online, look for the Plus New button, usually at the top of your screen. From that menu, choose Sales Receipt. A sales receipt is what you use when you're getting paid at the same time you record the sale, so there's no outstanding balance afterwards. On the sales receipt screen, first select your customer. Make sure you pick the correct customer so your records stay clean and accurate. Next, add the products or services they're buying. Select each item, double-check the quantity, rate, and total, and confirm that the tax settings are correct for your situation. Now it's time to choose how they're paying. In the Payment Method field, select Credit Card. You'll then see an option to enter credit card details. Click that, and you can either key in the card information manually, or if you have a compatible card reader connected, you can swipe, tap, or insert the card. Before you move on, confirm that the amount to be charged matches what you agreed with the customer. When you're ready, select Charge. Once the payment processes successfully, choose Save and Close to record the transaction and update your books. Next, let's look at how to process a credit card payment for an open invoice, where you billed the customer earlier and they're paying now. Again, start by selecting the Plus New button, but this time choose Receive Payment. This form is used to apply money to existing invoices. Pick the customer who is paying you, and QuickBooks will show a list of that customer's outstanding transactions. Select the open invoice or invoices you want to apply the payment to and make sure the payment amount lines up with what they're paying. In the Payment Method field, select Credit Card. Click Enter Credit Card Details, then either type in the card information or use your card reader. When everything looks correct, select Process Credit Card, or it may simply say Charge, depending on your setup. Once the payment is approved, finish by selecting Save and Close so the invoice is marked as paid and your accounts stay up to date.